Have you ever wondered what goes into creating an event? Whether it's a wedding, a conference, or a concert, large scale or small, the process is essentially the same. Seneca College has a program that teaches you how to produce live events. The Event and Media Production program, based out of the Seneca at York campus, teaches you everything that you need to know to work in the live event industry. There are 3 pillars to producing events that you'll learn through this 2-year program. First of all, event planning. You'll learn how to create a fully realized event from scratch. You'll learn how to build fun yet realistic event themes and activities based on objectives and demographics. You'll also learn things like how to pick the right venue, how to conduct site surveys, and even build your own professional-grade floor plans. We'll also teach you how to make budgets, production binders, and timesheets to log everything correctly. Next up, content production. After completing this program, you'll be able to create industry-standard content, from posters to social media content, or even professional videos. You'll have access to top-notch industry software such as Watch Out, which allows you to create multi-format video through graphic programming. You'll also learn how to make bold and engaging PowerPoint presentations. On top of that, how to be a prepared and confident presenter yourself. Last but not least, technical production. You'll learn how to master a variety of technical equipment: audio, lighting, video, projection, the list goes on. You'll learn how to create detailed equipment lists for events. You'll learn how to set it up and operate it. You will also gain important connections and industry experience by producing real events in your 2nd year. The best thing about EMP is that it allows you to hone in on your unique skills. A lot of work goes into every event, and it's never done alone. Events require a huge team of people. The event industry is massive and employs a variety of individuals, from tech nerds to organizers and content creators. Canada is home to over 1,300 event companies supplying events like the Canadian International Auto Show, which attracts over 350,000 visitors annually. That's a lot of jobs and a lot of money. The Event and Media Production program sets you up to be a knowledgeable worker in a booming industry. You'll also make a lot of friends in the process, and who knows, maybe even a business partner or 2. So come and join our team, the Event and Media Production.